welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into the bullet journal, the little black bujo to be exact, and we are going to be making a weekly stencil out of cardstock. This is a really easy thing that you can make on your own, or you can just become a member and get these for free included in your membership. So I've got about 6 different ones of these and a ton of different really cool cut files and printable stickers and lots of fun things. So check out auntietay.com for kind of a sneak peek to everything my members get. And then if you watch any more of my tutorials, you'll get to see lots of things that my members get. Other than that, let's get going. Let's dive into this bad boy. All right, guys, we're going to start by getting our cardstock that we want and then putting it on a mat. I'm using the standard grip mat for this, and then I am just using my Explore Air 2 to cut these out. These are SVGs that we already have, so I didn't have to design anything. I just had to go in and upload them right to Design Space and resize them to the size of my bullet journal. Once they are done, I am going to clean off my mat by just pulling all these little extra pieces off. And then I actually cut this out twice. I cut it out of just a blank page and then a pattern page so that I can make it a little bit more sturdy. You could also cut these out of chipboard or something that you think like acetate, anything that would be stronger than cardstock. But I just did 2 layers of cardstock and it worked out perfectly. So I'm just taking some hot glue, not hot glue, this is a glue stick. I'm taking a glue stick and just putting it all around it so that everything sticks together. I made these in a bunch of different cute patterns. This would be something really cute to give to somebody if you were going to give them a bullet journal, or you wanted to get somebody started on bullet journaling, you could create these for them. So now we are just going to use them. We have a few different spreads. We have ones that go over 2 pages, or we have some that go over just 1 page. And I can promise you that more of these stencils are going to come out because they make life super easy when it is coming down to actually laying out your weeks. This is my bullet journal that I have on the market, and we have more coming out, but this is our pre-laid out one, and this is what I like to do for some of the weeks when I get to the weekly section. You can also do different patterns with your stencils like dots or dashes. You don't have to do solid lines. You can move the stencil over just to the right and do a little bit of shadows. I like to go in with some brush pens and shadow on the outside, but I really love our holographic sticker paper just to give it kind of like a little amped up look, and it's very minimal and very sleek.